Simplifi and Quicken are robust financial management tools that equip you to maintain a firm grasp on your income, spending, and financial goals. Both platforms offer unique features and functionalities catering to a diverse range of financial needs. In this video, we're diving deep into both platforms, so keep watching till the end to know the final verdict on which is better. Alright, so let's begin. Simplifi is actually a standalone product offered by Quicken that aims to simplify financial management by offering users a clean and intuitive interface for tracking their spending, setting up savings goals, and managing financial accounts. Simplifi's strengths lie in its emphasis on budgeting and spending tracking, making it a valuable tool for users aiming to gain better control over their financial lives. Quicken, on the other hand, is a well-established personal finance software with a comprehensive suite of features that include budgeting, investment tracking, and financial planning. While its more traditional interface might seem less modern compared to newer apps, its extensive functionality makes it a powerful tool for those who need a comprehensive picture of their financial health. Simplifi's design, as a relatively new platform in the realm of personal finance applications, is modern and user-friendly. Users can easily navigate through various financial tools, manage their spending habits, set savings goals, and handle their bank accounts with ease. While Quicken's interface is traditional yet packed with features. Although its design may seem slightly dated compared to newer apps, it provides comprehensive spending tracking and investment features for users who require a detailed financial picture. Simplifi stands out with its personalized spending plan, allowing users to create a monthly spending plan aligning with their financial goals. Its tools provide a clear view of your monthly income, upcoming bills, and discretionary spending, empowering users to manage their money effectively. On the other hand, Quicken, with its long-standing reputation, provides robust investment tracking and financial planning tools. For example, Quicken Deluxe includes features for tracking loans, investments, and retirement accounts. Users can also plan for taxes and monitor their property values, making it a valuable tool for those with comprehensive financial tracking needs. Simplifi operates on a subscription basis, offering a 30-day free trial to new users. The app's annual plan costs $35.99, while the monthly plan is priced at $3.99. With its affordable pricing and comprehensive features, Simplifi presents excellent value for those seeking personal finance tools. Quicken offers multiple pricing tiers to cater to different user needs. Its most affordable plan, Quicken Starter, costs $34.99 per year and offers basic budgeting features. Other tiers, including Quicken Deluxe and Quicken Premier, provide more advanced features like investment tracking and tax planning. Comparing Simplifi and Quicken reveals unique strengths that cater to different financial management needs. Simplifi, with its modern interface and focus on budgeting and spending tracking, is an excellent choice for individuals seeking a straightforward way to manage their personal finances. On the other hand, Quicken, with its extensive investment tracking and financial planning tools, is a comprehensive solution for those with more complex financial management needs. If you believe Quicken is perfect for you, we give a slight edge to the Simplifi platform for its modern and user-friendly interface, personalized spending plan, and affordable pricing, making it particularly appealing for users who value simplicity and budgeting efficacy in their financial tools. Both platforms offer powerful features to manage your financial life effectively. Your decision should be based on your specific financial needs and personal preference. So that's basically it for this comparison. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.